is SQ, says squat, okay? Say squat. Squat, like squirrel, okay? Say squat. Squat, say squat 5 times. Squat, 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 squat. Now, so squat. Now, this U, okay? This squat, including the U's including in there with the SQ. So it's squat, and then say L. So squell, so let's blend it together. Squell, squelch, okay? So that one's a little difficult. Let's tap it now. Squat, L, oh, let's try it again. Squat, L, squelch. Let's try to chop it. This one was a little tricky. Squat, L, squelch, okay? All right. So now let's go ahead and we will put these tiles away. Nice job, guys, with the tiles. Okay, 1 second. Let's collect these.
I can collect the pictures.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much. All right, no, we're not collecting the other papers. Leave your word reading list out, Christian. Thank you. Thank you guys for helping me clean up during this time. Okay.
Christian, we need your paper.
All right. Okay, so in the meantime, so we've learned that we listen to the sounds of the CH digraph, right? CH says what sound, guys?
Ch.
Ch, and we just practice tapping out the sounds and blending them, Kamarias, together to make CH words, okay? So now I want to see if you guys can apply that to your writing and spelling, okay? So I'm going to now hand out a board to you, okay? And on your board, I'm going to give you some words that I want you guys to spell out, and I'm going to show you what that looks like with your spelling, okay? All right, are we ready? All know you're ready when you're on your bottom. You're focused, okay? All right, here we go. Okay, the first word that we are going to spell is the word lunch, but I want to model for you because it's important that you see how Mrs. Below does it, okay? So first, just like Kamarias is, wait a second please. He was being a good example, but this is what he was doing. To figure out this word right here, he was tapping out the sound. So he said, lunch, okay? So now you have to apply that to your spelling. So I'm erasing it, and you guys are spelling it out, okay? So what does your word say, Danny?
Lunch.
Lunch. So when I say watch what I do. Say lunch. Okay? All right, so cross off lunch. We're finished with that one. Let's do another word, okay? I want you guys to tap the sounds first, and then you are going to stretch those sounds when you spell them, okay? So now spell the word champ. Champ. Here we go. Let's see if you can spell champ. Very nice, Kamarias. Let's see if you can spell it right. So write down the word champ, okay?
How do you spell it?
Champ.
Did it. We got it.
Very nice job. Oh, you have aw. We need champ. What vowel do we need here instead of aw?
A.
A, you had O, so make sure it's an A, okay? So champ.
Okay.
All right, nice job, you guys. So now let's do the word, let's spell the word chip. Can we spell chip, please? Ch. Good. And if use what helps you. If you want to tap it, that's fine. Kaylee, I heard stretching her sounds, and she blended them back together, okay?
I was doing that too.
Okay. Danny, I can't really read yours. Can you rewrite yours right here? Chip. All right, once you've done the word chip, please go ahead and stretch the sounds for the word much. Much.
Can you read it now?
Much. Good job, Danny. Now do much.
And what about
much? No, honey, I said much. Much. I didn't say munch. Much. Okay?
Oh, much.
Much. All right? Very nice job. Much. Much. Okay? Very nice. All right, let's do 2 more words. Belch. belch. That might be maybe a little bit more difficult. Belch. Nice job, McKenzie. Belch. Very nice job, okay? Very nice job with belch. All right, here's our last word. Danny, I didn't get to see that you wrote belch. Everybody else is doing, you guys are rock stars right now. You're doing a great job. All right, one last word. Let's do the word rich. Rich. Everybody else keep working. Rich. Rich. Very nice job. All right, please just wipe off your boards quickly. And we have one more thing to do before it's time for us to wrap it up, okay?
I don't want to spell rich.
Oh, you spelled wrench. I need rich. Rich. Yes, okay, I'm taking your boards now. Put your lids back on the markers. Danny, I need you to stop. It's okay. I appreciate that. We'll fix that later. Okay, almost finished. All right. Thank you. Okay, finally, your job is now to turn to, open up your word list, and I want you to turn to story number 2. Okay, please turn to story number 2. Please turn to story number 2. Okay?
Do Friday.
It says do Friday, but I want to tell you what I want you guys to do with story number 2 words. Okay?
Mine says do Monday.
Okay, and you should have story number 2. Okay. Kamarius is just ready. He's ready to read, okay? But before we read, what I want us to do, this is why I had asked you guys to bring your pencils, Christian. I want you guys to read through and I want you to circle. What kind of words do you think I'll have you circle? CH digraphs that say what sound? Ch. Okay, so go through. I want you to read the story.
Do we just circle CH?
I said circle, not underline, Danny. Make sure you're circling the CH word. Circle the whole word, okay? CH, okay? So CH words. Oops. It's okay. CH. All right, Champ, I know. I try to have my stuff all in one spot. And
I'll read it after.
this is what happens. Okay? CH. All right. Keep going. CH.
Wait, we circle the whole word?
Yep, circle the whole word because I'm looking for that CH sound that's within our words, okay? So CH, like branch, chick, inch, okay?
The chick.
Good. Inch.
Look at, I found this word that we were
Oh, why do you think Mrs. Below had you work on that word squelch?
so you can know what it is when you're reading it.
Yeah, so that you can see it when you're reading it. Very nice, okay? All right. So once you finish, if you finish that early, I want you to take what we've learned and read, whisper read, okay? I want you to read it out loud in a whisper voice. Go ahead, Danny. I want to listen to you read.
The ranch had a chick.
Okay. Keep going.
Chicken. And chick.
The chick.
The chick is a champ.
Champ. Thank you for correcting yourself. Keep going. At
Lunch. The chick sat.
Oh, let's look at the vowel. Sit. It's good.
On the bench.
Does it say the?
A
branch. Branch. Keep going. All right. Keep going.
A chick was a pig and a rat. The pig, the chick, rat, and chick all eat chicken.
Keep going, Kaylee.
For one, the chick,
All right.
the chick is
All right.
chomp. The chick eats.
All right, Christian, let me hear you read. Can you start reading for me?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
The rat
Good, keep going.
Has a chick. The chick is a chimp. At lunch. The chick sits on a bench.
Oh, does that say branch? Let's look at this. Stretch your sounds. VR says what? Branch. Good job. Okay.
The chick will jump off the branch.
All right. Can you guys give me 5? Put your pencils down. Eyes up here. Okay, eyes up here. I'm waiting for Danny. Thank you. All right, you guys did a nice job today. We will continue working on these words this week, but what I will need you guys to do is, this is due on Friday, so what you guys need to do is take this home. I want you to practice reading this 4 times to your parents. I want you, if you get to a tricky word, I want you to tap out our sounds and blend them together. Or you can chop it like we've talked about.
Like child lion.
Okay, so write what down? If you miss a word, one thing you could do, maybe underline it and say, you know what, I need to really practice on reading that specific word, okay? So your job again, how many times do I need you guys to read this? 4 times, okay? So you're taking this home.